consent. The second he interacts with me, he'll have to identify a more personal touch than a regular.
Fine, let's chat over there.
Property. Look it up on your phone before you start.
I'm gonna argue this with you.
Or call your supervisor. I'm not talking to popular vote.
Oh, everybody, that's the chief right there. Dan Cornelius loves that. 70,000 of them.
Now we're going to Frank Fensbush.
You don't have to go back and stomp your feet and go crazy cowboy. You can just... So, as a police officer, where I'm trying to be educated on I need to be told what the fucking law is right now. Okay? Because if I'm breaking the law, I'm not going to play that game, and I have the right to refuse illegal work in Canada. And I'm not going to do it anymore. Yeah, you have better jobs to do.
The law doesn't work around implications. Out inside, I wanted to go in and get my complaint form and walk out with a camera because I do not trust. What if somebody else was beat up by police and they want to record their interaction going in to get a complaint? So you're going to have to look this up. And then the Trespass to Property Act states you can only make it a prohibited activity if it's not a right. You know who we are. This is our right to do in general.
And I think you're making it
My rig. I want to go in with my 2 cameras, ask for a complaint form, and walk out the front door without being.
My concern there is that, number one, if there's somebody in there, a victim of crime.
One at a time. Feelings don't not being in front of a camera in there. Ever seen my videos? I don't go in and start recording people sitting on chairs or anybody that's
That would satisfy you?
what doing so.
You're not bringing your...
No, I don't need to bring it in. I'm just bringing it to the door.